Hi, welcome to this other video where we're going to talk about how to make it impossible for a user to go back on Google Forms. Let's open one of these forms that we created in the past. And when we are here, we have this good looking Google pool. But now, this pool, when someone responds, for instance, when we come here, someone can send a response using this form, but again, they can come back here and send another response. That's the bad part about this form. What if we want to change that? Let's say when someone has responded and sent the response already, they shouldn't be able to send another response. How can we restrict or put that restriction on this form? We have this tab here, or we have these settings options. When you click there, you're going to scroll down, you're going to see responses, the responses option here. You click on this button, you have so many different settings here. You can actually change if you want to also correct emails of these people or not. And you can also send responders a copy of their responses. You can just turn this on. And you can also allow response editing if that's something you are interested. You just come here and turn this on or off. Right now it's off. I'm going to leave it there. Down here, we have very special feature, which is very important if you want to limit how many times someone can respond to a poll. Here we have a limit to one response, which is off, which means someone can send a response as many times as they want. So to limit that, you can just have to just turn this on. When you do this, now, responders will be required to sign into Google. This also puts a limit on them because now when they already sent a response, they can't do that again. So let's try this. Let's just see this. When I send a response here, we're going to assume this is the first time. We have the email address on top there. I just say John. You also enter the address and you choose the birthday here and also put the place here like that. And I'll submit this. And here it says your response has been recorded. That's good. Now, what if I want to take this form again? Here we can see that we have three responses. Now, let's say I want to take this survey again or this poll again. It's saying you've already responded. Your response has been recorded. You can fill out this form only once. Then try contacting the owner of the form if you think this is a mistake. We've put a restriction such that a person can only send a response once. This is an interesting feature you might want to have in your Google surveys or forms or polls because it's going to limit how many times someone can vote or send a response. Just to not like take a form deliberately because some people might just send a lot of data many times and you do not know where it's coming from. You might think a lot of people took the survey, not knowing it's only one person sending a lot of responses. So to restrict how many times a person can send a survey, this is what you do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.